Hello there, my name's Chris Southern. I'm a Business Development Manager at Stelgis. I'm here today at the X Solutions show to show the range of Stelgis product, which includes the board we've got here today, which is the 885iX. We take a quick look at some of the key features of the board. It's a fully touch sensitive board, so you can simply write onto the board, select a different colour, The system uses a DVI-T technology, which is 4 cameras positioned around the board. This makes it dual use. So if we go onto a new page and you are doing something like brainstorming, you can have the positives and the negatives, and this will give you the facility to be able to write on here, but also at the same time we can write there, and you can both work at the same time. So for brainstorming, collaboration, things like that, you've got dual use on the board. Once the information is committed to the board, you can use facilities such as the ability to convert this into handwriting. Also, you can save it as different file types to make it flexible for people. So you can use things like PowerPoint, PDF, JPEG and web page. The beauty of the system is it's not just for whiteboarding. What you can do is quite simply switch out to a full desktop application. This means that you're now working on an 87-inch PC. So we can go into applications such as Microsoft Word, which people use all the time. Pick up the pens, we can annotate over the top of Microsoft Word, and then we have a choice where we can either drop that straight in as a signature or handwriting, or again we can select to type that into the document. So if you need to add words to Excel, PowerPoint, Visio, any of the Microsoft range, you can drop it straight in. Should you wish to sign off a document, you can do things like a signature, and this time instead of converting, we'll press that button and it'll drop it straight into the page. So it allows you the flexibility of whiteboarding, but also working within whatever software you have on the PC. If you want a section of the screen, you can use things like the capture devices, where you can simply pick the section of the screen that you would like and draw around it and let go. That will then capture to the whiteboard, and we press the whiteboard button here. You'll see that on page 3 now we have that information that we've just worked on. The board being 4 cameras means that you can do things like the iPad application, and also you can do things like flick it around the screen. So you can capture, annotate, and all this is being added to my flip chart every time. Across the top here we have another menu bar for a piece of software called Bridget. Bridget allows us to share this information with any piece of IT, which can be a laptop, another board at the other end, or a device such as an iPad. So whilst I'm working away on here and writing on there, I can be sending this information to a series of reps on the road, or people in remote access areas, or home workers. So to show you an example of this, if we use the iPad, so you can see here now on the iPad screen, we actually have duplication of what's on the board. So this iPad could be sat on the M6 in a lay-by with a rep, for example. I can then work on here and discuss a spreadsheet or whatever, and you'll see it appear immediately on the iPad. What's unique about the software that we have through Smart and through Stelgis is the fact that using the pen tray at the bottom, the people at the other end can also annotate and take part within the conference. So instead of people emailing version 1 and version 2 and changing it, we're actually working on one document in real collaboration. So if you do want more information on how you can save your business time, money, meetings and reduce your CO2 footprint, visit us at www.stelgis.com.